Term life insurance protects you for a specific number of years known as a term. Common term lengths are 10, 20, and 30 years, but many other lengths are possible. Whole life insurance is different. It protects you for your whole life and has a cash value accompanying the coverage. Most Canadians are best served by term life insurance, but both types of life insurance have their advantages and disadvantages. Insurance expert Sonam Dorjee Lama helps us explain how both types of coverage work.
I would say one of the top, questions we get from a lot of people is centered around confusion between what kind of life insurance they should get. And some people think that, they can save a lot of money or make money on their life insurance, or they should have as long a policy as possible, or a policy that lasts forever. So what would you say the main types of life insurance, and what are the difference between those?
There are two main types of life insurance. One is the term life for a specific number of years, 10, 20, 30, 40, and in some cases even 50 years policies. And then you've got the permanent or the whole life insurance policies. Now, both of them have very specific roles to play in your financial portfolio. At least that's the way I look at it. In my conversations, again, people ask, should I choose a term or a permanent? Which one, should I pick, and why? And that's an easy fix, because if you reverse engineer the question, you ask, why do you need insurance, right? What are your requirements? They can automatically answer the questions. For example, if I'm looking at mortgage protection, debt protection, income replacement, some money to leave behind for my kids, if I were to pass away any time from now until I retire, term insurance is the simple answer. There's no two ways about it. The downside, however, what people do not like or dislike about term insurance is that, and this is a statement verbatim, so if I don't die, my money is wasted, right? So that's the way they look at their investment into the plan. They don't look at it as a protection plan, but more of my money wasted. So to switch the conversation from you aren't wasting your money, but you are protecting your family, right? To then think about, okay, why do you need permanent insurance? Is it purely because of the investment factor? Because if that's the case, then is it even worth your money? In the sense that a lot of people don't understand how to access the money within the insurance itself, within the policy, right? So that's a different, it's like a vortex. Once you get in, you just keep going deeper and deeper into it. So that's a conversation for another time. But when speaking about permanent insurance specifically, I generally ask them, what do they need permanent insurance for? Again, if they say, all right, it is for mortgage protection, and I say, all right, so this is the amount that you need, and this is the cost associated with it. Is this what you had in mind? Then they immediately backtrack, say, oh no, that's too expensive. And I'm like, all right, so in that case, you're looking for a term insurance. But if it is final expenses, my final taxes, I just want to make sure that they give me a burial or my funeral costs, then of course, permanent insurance is the way forward. And within that, there are several other options available as well. I hope that answered your question.